Whether it's getting out of your car or struggling to get in, that old umbrella gets you drenched and the water falls right off into the car interior and even inside your home. What a mess! Introducing the ingenious WonderDry Umbrella, the new keep dry umbrella with groundbreaking reverse, open and fold technology. While ordinary umbrellas open like this, the WonderDry opens in reverse, making it a faster, easier and drier way to get in and out of the pouring rain. And unlike ordinary umbrellas that create puddles all over the floor, WonderDry Umbrella doesn't drip because it stays dry on its outside and keeps the wetness inside. You simply pour all the excess water away. No more water stains. Watch as a normal umbrella drips everywhere. But the WonderDry contains every last drop. And look how much water is inside. Incredible! The secret? WonderDry Umbrella has redesigned the traditional umbrella and turned it upside down and inside out. So it pulls the wet side in and you never have to worry about drips again. Traditional umbrellas need so much space to open. You have to walk outside in the rain and get drenched. But WonderDry Umbrella opens with just a small crack, so you're never exposed to the rain. Look closely. Ordinary umbrellas open outward, which can make them too wide to fit through the door, getting you and your car interior completely soaked. But the WonderDry Umbrella's reverse open and fold technology opens from in to out, so it easily fits through a 2-inch gap, keeping you drier. Just look how much faster and easier it is to use.
With my WonderDry umbrella, all the water stays inside the umbrella and not on my floors.
I ride the bus every day to work. When I use my regular umbrella, it is so complicated to open and close because it gets everything wet. I mean, it drips on the bus floor, the seats, even the people sitting next to me. It's a disaster. With the WonderDry, it only requires a tight space, and this way you can slip into the bus, you stay dry, and everyone around you stays dry.
With my old umbrella, I accidentally jabbed a guy in the face, and then it was really embarrassing. But with my WonderDry umbrella, it opens inward, so I don't have to worry about ever doing that again.
We tested the WonderDry Umbrella against a traditional umbrella by attaching it to this car and accelerated to 40 miles an hour. The ordinary umbrella collapsed in the wind, but the durable WonderDry Umbrella held up strong. So forget those traditional umbrellas.
The WonderDry Umbrella is wind resistant in gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Amazing!
The super lightweight ergonomic design and non-slip grip makes it so easy to hold, and the WonderDry is engineered to stand on its own, so you can be hands-free whenever you want to be. It doesn't matter if it's rain, sleet or snow. The WonderDry Umbrella will keep you dry anywhere you go. So go online now.